This is Channel 2 News, coverage you can count on.
The air quality is starting to impact people in our area, and experts say it's not going away anytime soon. That is tonight's Channel 2 News Big Story at 5:30. Good evening, everyone. I'm Wendy DeMonte. Kristen is on assignment. Thank you for staying with us. We're going to start tonight with Chief Meteorologist Mike Alger, who's in the Weather Center. Mike, is there any wind coming that will push out this muck in the air?
You know, there is some that's going to help us. We talk about, is there going to be relief coming anytime soon? Well, it's not going to happen quickly, although even in the afternoon, the last couple of hours, things have improved slightly. Our air quality index throughout most of the day was above 150, and that basically is unhealthy for everybody, not just those that are sensitive to it. And of course, they had some restrictions and cutbacks in the Washington County schools because of that. Now we're down into the low 100s. Now, it's still unhealthy for those who are sensitive to smoke, and if you have a sensitivity toward it, some kind of respiratory problem, you still want to kind of take care, kind of hunker down and keep inside air conditioning and stay hydrated and all that. It has improved a little bit. Tomorrow, I don't know that it's going to be as bad as today. It could be, because we don't have a lot of wind anywhere tomorrow coming our direction. We've got this low that's passing by through southern British Columbia. We've got this one that's offshore, too far away really to do much. What we really need to do is get a bit of a southwest flow. Now, the high tomorrow may sag a little bit, and really all it's going to do is just kind of knock almost all the winds out. So whatever we accumulate tonight, likely we're going to be stuck with throughout most of the day tomorrow. That high does fall off a little bit, and this low moves in offshore, which gives us a little more southwesterly flow on Sunday. Now, is that going to get rid of all the smoke? No, there's just too many fires even down in the central and southern part of California, but that should help at least thin it out somewhat. We'll keep our fingers crossed. We'll have more on that, and we'll tell you how long the heat is going to last. I'll have that for you in a complete forecast coming up a little bit later in the show.
All right, Mike, sounds good. Thank you. Obviously, the air quality is unhealthy outside, but how exactly do experts determine that? Well, Amanda Ketchledge talked with one today and has the details. Amanda?
Well, Wendy, the air quality is measured by several different stations throughout the valley that picks up the particles in the air and prints them out on paper for the experts to determine just how exactly healthy or unhealthy like it is today outside.
Especially PM 2.5, which is the particulates found in the smoke. It's also impacting ozone too.
The Washoe County Health District says that the air outside is not healthy for sensitive groups like the elderly and children. And Washoe County School District says that due to the current unhealthy air quality, schools can decide on a site-to-site basis to cancel outdoor practices and activities. We visited Hug High, where the soccer team had to practice indoors today.
An average run is 3.2 miles for us on a day, normal day. Conditioning day is 7 to 10 miles. And when you're inside, you can't do that. So it really limits our ability to get their conditioning up so they're more competitive.
And experts say that hopefully we will see some relief tomorrow, but unfortunately it will be just as bad they expect on Sunday. Covering the story, Amanda Ketchledge, Channel 2 News.